In today's video, we are going to show you how to download photos from pCloud. It's super easy and we will share a quick tip if you are downloading a lot of photos at once. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and click the Go to My Account because this will forward you to your dashboard and the file manager. Now, all I have to do at this point is select the folder that contains the photos that you have. Okay? Or you can simply hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to Photos right here. You can select a single photo, for example, this one. You can click the circle button because this will give you options on the top corner. As you can see, you have the option to simply click the download. It's super simple and select the folder that you wanted to save this photo. Now, if you wanted to save time and you don't want to select all the photos one by one to download it manually, all I have to do is super simple. Go again to the same procedure earlier, click the circle button so that you can download all the pictures at once. All right. What will happen is once the photos has been selected, click the download archive. It's super simple, and of course, it would show you the items that you are downloading. Click the download button and of course save it to the folder that you wanted. Okay, now another option is let's go again to the file manager, go to the specific folder that you want. For example, this one. You have multiple options here. The three dots gave you an option to download all the folders or the files inside of that folder. Now, if you wanted to be sure, click the folder itself to see the content. And once you are ready, all I have to do, again, it's similar. Click the folder that contains all the photos that you want to download and click the download archive, rename it, and click the save button. It's super simple. And basically, that's it on how to download photos from pCloud. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.